Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a collective reading and we are going to see what your person is currently feeling like, what they're feeling about you, what they are thinking about you, what they want to do, what their next action is going to be. So everything that I'll be picking up, I'll just clear it out to you. And this is a general love reading. It won't resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. And if you want to know how your person is currently feeling like, what they are going through, what's happening on their side, stay tuned to the end of the video. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. I'm Pooja from India. I am an intuitive and psychic tarot reader. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can always check the links in the description box. And if you're knowing Hindi language, if you understand Hindi language, you can also subscribe to my Hindi channels. The links I have already mentioned in the description box. So let's see what your person is currently feeling like, what they're up to, what they want from you, what they want from this connection. I'll just give it a good shuffle, and then I'll be picking up your person's energy, whomsoever you love, you want to connect to, you want to know how they are feeling. Okay, the first card is Nine of Wands. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy, fire sign. What more do we have in your person's current feelings? What more do we have in your person's current feelings? Okay, the next is Ten of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, and the last one is Princess of Swords. So these are your person's current feelings. What more do we have in their feelings? Do we have anything else? Okay, what more do we have? What more do we have in your person's feelings? What more do we have? Okay, so we have got all the cards. This is Aries, Leo, Sag, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The next is the Hanged Woman. This is the Piscean card. You might be dealing with the Pisces, or you yourself might be Pisces. Princess of Wands, another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, and the Star, Aquarius energy. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so your person currently they want to, first thing what I notice here is that they are quite hopeful about this relationship. They love you a lot. They want a stable, sustaining, long-term relationship with you. They see you someone who will give them the kind of love they are expecting. They wanted this kind of love from a very long. Whatever they feel with you, they get it nowhere else. Okay, they are quite hopeful. No matter in what situation you both are, they are quite hopeful about the relationship, the future of this relationship, the love they have for you, the love you have for them. They love you. Okay, but with this we have this Princess of Swords, Nine of Wands, the Hanged Woman, and Princess of Wands. What I see here is this person wants to clear their doubts. I think they have a lot of doubts in their heart about something. They have a lot boiling in their heart, mind, and they want to just ask you some things. They want to clarify. They want to find truth about something. I'm seeing them striving really hard to get that truth out of you. They want to know something. I see a lot of curiosity here. They want to know something about a specific, it might be anything, like they might have misunderstandings about you. They might want to have trust issues with you, something like that. They want to get to the core of something. And this is a very mad energy. I'm seeing them very mad at you. Okay, the roles can be switched. It can be either way. It can be like you are feeling this way about your person, so take it as it resonates. You know your story better. I'm saying this person, they love you a lot. They see a stable relationship with you. They see a future with you. But the thing is, they want to get the air clear. They want to clear some things out. They have a lot of doubts in their mind. They have a lot of things up there in their head. They want to clear them. It might be misunderstandings, or it might be really that has happened, something that has happened in the past. This person wants clarification. They want to get to the core of something, and they will come up very straight. They want to come up very straight and ask you some things like, what is it? Why did you do that? I'm also picking up your person. They want to own you, like they have this strange feeling of wanting to own you, wanting to control you. Yeah, wanting to have a like grip over you. They want you in their life by any means. I think they are mad at you. Maybe they are not talking to you. Maybe they are guarding their energies with this Nine of Wands. They have a lot of passion for you with this Princess of Wands. But the thing is, the situation is like that they want to just first clear some things with you, which is keeping the both of you hung, which is keeping you stuck with this person. Neither of you are able to move forward. Neither of you are able to move away from each other. Okay, maybe you both are quite hopeful about the relationship. It is just a temporary separation phase. Maybe you're going through a temporary separation. Not maybe, I'm very sure this is a temporary phase, whatsoever you're going through. In the end, you're going to come back together. You both belong to each other. You both have this scope of getting back together. Okay. This person is guarding their feelings because they want to clear their doubts. They have something in their mind and they just want to get to the core. They just want to get to the root of whatever it might be. It might be their misunderstanding, or it might be something that has really happened. Maybe you really did something that put them off guard. Okay, so the situation is stuck. Right now the situation is stuck. They are stuck. They are not being able to take any step further with you, but they have a lot of passion for you. They want to take the initiative. Maybe you both are not talking and this person is thinking about taking initiative. They want to take things further. They want to move the situation further. They don't want to be in this stuck situation. Okay, what more do we have in their energies? What are their intentions? What are their intentions, please? Guys, angels, please clear messages, please. Okay, the first is the Emperor. They want to take the lead. I told you, they are in this Aries energy. They want to take the lead. They want to control you. They want to make you this person has a lot of ego. You might be dealing with a person who is quite egoistic. Okay, so they are mad at you. I'm seeing their intentions are to control you, or to make you realize something, or to make you understand something. They want you to say yes, you are right. They want you to lose, okay, in front of them. So that is what's happening. What more do we have? Please clear messages, their intentions. Okay, Ace of Swords. I told you, they want to bring it very direct now. They don't want to play cold. They don't want to they don't want to be in this cold war anymore. They just want to slit you into halves and get that truth out of you. They want to ask something. They want to get clarity in some situation. Maybe it is their misunderstanding. Okay, maybe this person has a lot of trust issues. Like my intuition, it's just yelling at me that this person is having a lot of trust issues. Ten of Wands. This person, their mind, their thoughts, their perspective, their beliefs, this is the main issue. Something is dragging them back. Maybe they want to trust you. Maybe they want to love you. Maybe they want to give this fulfilling relationship with you to you, but something is pulling them back from you. Yeah, maybe it's their trust issues. Whatever they're having in their mind, that is pulling them apart from you. Okay, and that is not letting this relationship to go to this Ten of Cups energy. Okay, because I can see them wanting to go further with you, wanting to trust you, but something like maybe it's their past experience that is haunting them, and that is not letting them to trust you. Yeah, quite possible. What more do we have in their next actions? Wow, maybe you are in a long distance relationship. This person wants you back. They will come back. They will come around. I'm seeing them. I'm feeling them coming around. Maybe in next for many of you, this is going to be happening very soon, like today itself, within next few hours maybe. Okay, for some of you. Okay, I think this person wants to come back around. They want to travel to you. They want to meet you. They want to be face to face with you. This person will be coming back around. They want to have you in their life now. Okay, maybe this person is into a long distance relationship. You both might be into a long distance relationship. They might be on a distance from you, and they want to either travel to you or maybe come and talk to you like face to face. Heart to heart communication is what they expect out of you. The next card is Two of Wands. With this Two of Wands, what I see here is, I think someone of you is onto crossroads, deciding something, wanting to decide something, taking firm actions, wanting to go back, looking back, something like that. I see many of you or your person are on crossroads and they have to decide. Either you or your person, someone has to decide something. Okay, so yeah, what more do we have in the next actions? Four of Coins. I'm also seeing your person will be expressing, maybe they were not opening up and now they will be expressing how they exactly feel for you. They will express to you that they don't want to lose you. You mean a lot to them. So this person is going to come back, taking some action, deciding something, coming back to you, and will be expressing that they want you in their life. This is what I'm seeing here for many of you. Okay. Let's read your energies. How are you feeling right now? I really want to take a glimpse of how you are feeling right now. I really need clear messages for the person who is viewing this video right now. I really need to pick up on their energy, what they are feeling right now, how this person is feeling right now. Okay, the first card we have is the Queen of Wands. I think you are in your power. You are not giving in, but you are ready to accept. If someone offers you something, if this person offers you something, you are in this accepting mode, but you are not giving up. Okay, maybe you are taking stand for yourself. Maybe you did not do anything wrong and you are standing for like you are firm into that. You know you haven't done anything wrong, but you are not initiating this communication. You are passionate, you love this person, but you are not initiating this communication. You want this person to come forward and initiate. Okay, you are standing in your power. The Hanged Man. By Shin energy, what I see here is you feel as if the situation is stuck. It's not moving forward, but you are not ready to give in. You are not ready to message this person. You are not ready to call this person. You want them to call. You are readily wanting, like you're ready to stay in this Hanged Man position, but you're not giving in and calling this person out. Okay, wow, what more do we have in your energy? The High Priestess. I told you, you're being very powerful. You know exactly what's happening. Maybe you're spiritually connecting to this person. You're spiritually awakened. You're more like you connect well with the universe. You know what universe is doing, what it has to offer to you. You know this person is going to come back. Somewhere deep inside you have that wisdom. You have that, you're feeling very powerful. Many of you, you're feeling very powerful. Okay, you know this person is going to come back. You're going to be served justice. Okay, so that is what you are expecting and that's what's going to happen. What are your intentions for this relationship? Okay. We have two cards, Knight of Swords and Ten of Wands. I think because this person comes in, goes out, comes in, goes out, this in and out energy of this person is burdening you. Okay, mentally this person is derailing you. They are just you feel as if whenever this person comes in, as fast as they come into your life, they just vanish away. And you are left with a burden. Maybe they blame on you something. Maybe they accuse you of something. Maybe they are always letting you down. Okay, and you are feeling quite exhausted now. Your intentions are to still keep moving with all that burden on your back. Okay, so yeah, I think with this Empress energy, Taurus energy, what I feel here is in spite of how sad you're feeling, how burdened you're feeling, you still are in your power. You have power over this person, you have power over the situation. You're not ready to give in, and that's what is keeping you positive in the whole scenario. Okay, You know you're dealing with someone who is always going to be very mature, in and out, like accusing you and all over the place. But you are ready. You are accepting this person as they are, with their goods and bads. Okay, what are your next moves? What are the viewers' next moves towards their person? What are their next moves? Okay, we have many cards here. I don't want these many. What are this person's next moves? Please, clear messages. Ace of Wands, you want a new beginning. Maybe you're going to accept someone's proposal. Maybe you're ready for accepting. I told you, you are ready. No matter how this person is, you are ready. Okay, you don't see this person, someone like, you will never give up on this person. I don't know why I'm saying this, but I just feel you will never give up on this person or their offers. You'll be always accepting their offers. You know, deep inside you know they are going to leave at some point or the other, but still you are quite accepting to this person's offers because you love them. Okay, what are your next actions? Many of you are going to offer to this person some new beginning, or you're going to accept this person's offer. You'll be readily accepting. Yeah, you are being very hopeful. You will be very hopeful that this person is going to come back. You are working on your life, you're being fine, you're happy and sound, and you're expecting this person to come back. That is what's these are your actions. You're being calm and collected and accepting what they have to offer to you. What next action? Next action for this person. Okay, Page of Cups. Maybe many of you are going to spy this person. Many of you are into a long distance relationship, as I mentioned earlier, and you're going to you have nothing but to spy on this person, to see. You're curious about this person. Your next actions are going to be, you're going to spy this person, what they're doing, what they're up to, what they're thinking, what they expect. Wow, a lot of spying. Okay, let's see from the oracle, what do we have for you about this connection, about this love. What do we have? Okay, challenging times. Maybe you're going through a very challenging time. Okay, you're feeling like, but I'm saying you're being very tough. In spite of how challenging this period is, you're being very tough. You're fighting back, you're not giving up, you're not giving in, you're standing very strong. You expect the better things from this person, from this situation. Okay, this time will pass away. You just have to be like you are. Okay, don't give up, don't give in. What more do we have? Feeling alone. Maybe you're feeling alone, maybe you're feeling left out, because this time is very challenging. It is taking a toll on you and this relationship. Just be calm and collected. Everything will be falling into place. Don't be harsh on yourself. I know this is very tough time for you. Okay, but we have got the Empress, the High Priestess, the Queen of Wands in your energy, the Star. So be hopeful, be like this, be very strong, and everything will be okay. If you keep crying, if you keep sobbing, if you keep chasing this person, you're not going to get anything good. See, simply love. You just have to love. You just have to love the other person and yourself. That is how things will grow. That is how things will be falling into place for you. Yeah. Wow, beautiful read. Okay. Let's see your current thoughts or what you need to do. I really need to pick how you're feeling. Insecurity. Maybe you're insecure, or maybe the person you're dealing with is insecure about losing you. Someone here is quite insecure about something, or maybe something that has happened in the past. They don't want to face something like that again with you. That is why they are insecure. Passion. You need to show passion, compassion towards other. Okay. Maybe this person needs to learn. I think I'm picking up on your person's energy. They need to be more passionate. They need to be more secure. They need to feel secure with themselves and with you and into this relationship. Okay. There is a lack of passion. There is a lack of self-worth. Yeah, definitely. I think this is your person's energy. They need to understand their self-worth, or maybe you need to understand your self-worth. You need to show passion or compassion to other people, to this person, to this connection, and not be insecure. Okay, wow, beautiful. That was a beautiful read indeed. Now let's see what fairy messages do we have for you. What advices do we have for you? What advices do we have for you? Okay, we have pure intentions. Set your intentions very pure. If you are manifesting someone, if you are wanting someone back, let your intentions be very clear. Like if you want to get someone back in your life, you want to set your intentions to the only person you want to get back. If you have many exes, and if you have 2 to 3 exes, okay, and if you are setting not setting your intentions very clearly, like while manifesting that I want my ex back, then it will be possible that the other person which you don't want in your life will be manifested to you. So be very pure, be very clear about your intentions, whom you want. Specify their name, specify their energy. Okay, what more do we have? Transformation. You are into a transformation phase, or maybe you need to transform your thoughts, your anything. It might be different for different people. This is a period of transformation. Whatever is happening is for your highest good. You need to just embrace it, and best is yet to come. Okay, so this was it. Now let's see what advices do we have for you from my handwritten advices. What messages do we have for you? Okay, first is influence. Maybe this person is under someone's influence, or you are under someone's influence. So you don't need to be in anyone's influence, under anyone's influence. You need to have your own thoughts, your own ideology. Okay, what more do we have? Hug you, kiss you. Maybe this person is passionate about you. They want to hug you, they want to kiss you, they are loyal to you. Okay, you are manifesting someone who is very loyal. Okay, to leave toxic relationships, you need to understand, analyze who is toxic to you, which situation is toxic for you, which person is toxic for you, and just leave that relationship. And the next is 1-5-6 months, something major happening 1-5-6 months from now, or maybe happened 1-5-6 months ago, or maybe January, May and June is the specific months for someone. So yeah, this was it. If you like the reading, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.